Good morning, guys. The overnight rains have brought us lots of microplastic deposits in the soil. You can see the very little bits everywhere that we're looking is microplastics. It's breaking down into its chemical components, it's degrading, and this is the whole shore that we have along here with the styrofoam bits. This gives you a much better idea. This is the layering in the soil that we have. So after 15-20 years of deposits, it's layered into the soil. Plastics is for life, so what you see here is for the rest of our lifetimes. Of course, unless the planet heats over the production temperature. This is quite dramatic. Most people have become to accept this now as a norm, but I don't. And as you zoom out, you get the scale of the problem as we're zooming out. This is now what you think is bits of white sand is actually all just plastics. The nets up in the canals, they try hold it back, but you can't hold back the chemical spill that you can see here. You can see, look at this, lots of plastic, microplastics embedded into the soil. You can see there, it's all there, little bits of green, milk bottles. There's the Coca-Cola red, there's the Fanta orange, Coca-Cola red, and it's a classic case there of how the microplastics are now becoming layered into the soil, and it's everywhere. We just climb on this side. It's a disaster. We should have had hazmat crews out here to pick up this chemical spill, but you know, the plastics industry has made this has become acceptable. It's become a norm. What you see here always ends up inside me. It's just the nature of existence and coexistence in an ecosystem. The predominant pollution, which is all this plastics in my environment, will then become the predominant pollution of who I am, because I stay in this local environment. More. So this edge here, this little edge here, we see we've got a lot of styrofoam and deposits. Somewhere along up the river, up Zandvlei, one of the canal systems, there is definitely a packaging company that's dealing with styrofoam, because this is just not one blob, this is very large amounts. So this is our beautiful Zandvlei. Beautiful, lovely mountains in the background. Lovely, low density urban space. Yet we're plagued with these plastics. And I mean, what you see here, those chemicals there are in the water. This is used, as you can see, recreationally. I never go in the water, I never go near the water. Yes, that's where we are.